Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start with one strong photo and a clear era in mind. Explain to Gemini the decade and film look you want, for example, 1970s color fade with grain. Once done, include camera type and lens details to guide color and bokeh. This increases realism. Now add mood words like cinematic, warm amber highlights, or muted teal shadows. Make sure to set resolution and aspect ratio before generation, so the crop and composition stay faithful. You refine the output by dialing parameters and explaining why each matters. Grain adds texture, reduced saturation mimics aged dyes, and a soft vignette recreates old lenses. Once you set values like grain 12 or saturation -10%, run 3 to 5 iterations to explore subtle variations. Then compare results side by side and pick the most authentic frame. If you want stronger mood, increment style weight slightly and rerun. Small changes yield big visual shifts. You finish by applying local tweaks that make the retro effect believable. Gently dodge highlights on faces, burn edges for depth, and sharpen eyes to retain detail. Once satisfied, export as TIFF or high-quality JPEG and save your prompt and parameter preset so you can reproduce the look. If the photo looks too cold or noisy, tweak color temperature by a couple hundred Kelvin or lower grain by 20%. That single adjustment usually fixes most common issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.